Ferociously, Rambal takes his place lying.
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करके हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियोस के बारे में अपडेट जानें।
Ferociously, Rambal takes his place lying on a bed of firewood. A pedestal fan blows to intensify the heat, and it is removed once the fire starts to grow. Now begins the journey into the incredible. Thick smoke begins to surround him. He adjusts himself to a comfortable position on this bed of firewood. Through the intense smoke, we see the fire sticks begin to ignite underneath Rambal Swami. The audience, including our production crew, are in awe. They are excited and anxious to see what will happen next. A scientist or a rationalist would ask, what if Rambal is using any fire-retardant material on his clothing? What must have been his body temperature? What is the temperature inside the fireplace? We will find out later. I asked him why his clothing and hair did not catch fire. He replied that he was in union with the fire, and fire is friendly to him.
मजीद ऐसी ही वीडियोस को देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और बराह करम वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर भी करें और कमेंट में अपनी राय का इजहार भी करें। फिर मिलेंगे एक नई वीडियो के साथ। अल्लाह हम सब का हामी और नासिर हो।